Now this is the most simplest strategy you can find here on YouTube. Alright, the most simplest but powerful strategy you can find here on YouTube. Alright, so all I want you to do is to make sure you stick to the video to the very end. Alright, make sure you don't skip any part of this video. Okay, now I'm going to share with you the indicator setting before I will show you how the strategy work. Alright, it's a very simple strategy to understand. Okay, now first thing you have to do here is to click on this icon here. So after clicking on that, you can see we have 3 moving average here on the main chart, and then on the indicator window we have the stochastic and the moving average again. Okay, now first of all we are going to be clicking on this icon in order to add the first moving average here. So you click on it. Now you can see these are the parameters for this particular moving average. Right, you see here the period here is 12, the shift is 0, the method is linear weight, the applied to here is low. Under the style we have 3 pixels, the color is red. After that you click on save. That is for the first moving average. The second one here, you can see these are the parameters. Here the period is 14, the shift is 0, method linear weight, applied to is low. Now the style is 3 pixels, the color is red. Alright, after that you click on save. Now for the third moving average here, you click on it. You can see for this one the period is 16, the method is the same as the first one, low is the same as the first one, and the pixel you change this to blue. Alright, everything else is the same. Okay, after that you click on save. We are done with the moving average. Alright, now for the indicator window one, you still click on this and then you search for stochastic oscillator. So after clicking on it, you can see here are the parameters. Alright, so you are going to set everything same as this one. Alright, under the style you can see the pixel here is 1, and then the color, I make the colors the color of my background. Okay, so if you are using a black background, you make it black, and then for the levels you are setting it to 90 and 10. Alright, so that is all for this one. Alright, make sure you take a screenshot. Right, don't be confused. So after that you click on save. Your indicator window one will be formed. Now for you to add the moving average under the stochastic oscillator, you have to click on this icon here. So after clicking on that, you search for moving average. Now the period for this one is 14, the shift is 0, the method is linear weight, the applied to is close. Right, the style here is 3 pixel and the color is blue. After that you click on save. You are done with the indicator setting. Okay, now this is why I say this, the strategy is very simple. All the requirement that is need here is to wait for the blue line to get to the 90 level. Alright, that is your condition number 1. Then for the condition number 2, you wait for price, right, the candlestick to close below the 3 moving average. Alright, once you see that it has crossed below the moving average and close below it, alright, that candlestick close below the moving average, you have to go in for 5 candles. Okay, you go in for 5 candles and you are done. Alright, it's as simple as that. Okay, it's as simple as that, guys. It's as simple as that. You don't need much. Okay, so now I'm just waiting for this to cross below and I will be taking 5 candles. Okay, I'll be taking 5 candles. It's as simple as that, guys. It's a very simple strategy, very good strategy. And for the zoom level, you have to zoom out completely and then you zoom in twice. 1 and 2. Right, this is the zoom level for this strategy. Okay, so All I want you to do now, guys, is to go and backtest the strategy for yourself. All right, see if the strategy is working for you, just like I've said, and then you can go live with it. Okay, make sure you backtest the strategy, guys. Make sure you backtest the strategy and see if it's really working before you put your money. Okay, so let's just wait a little bit and see how this plays out. All right, I'm waiting for it to cross below this, and then I'll be taking my entry. All right, so I think that is all for this strategy. I don't think there's anything else to say. Okay, so let's just see how this plays out, and then we are good to go.